Inimba takes it away. Inimba season 1 is taking home the most popular TV soap or telenovela award at the SAFTAs as chosen by the viewers or the public or the fans, guys. Yes, Inimba came number 1 at the SAFTAs yesterday. Here's the message that they had to send to its fellow viewers and the thank you message, guys. So here's Inimba collecting the award, guys.
This is wow. To everybody that has for the past couple of weeks been using the airtime to vote for Inimba, siyabulela kakhulu ngenhliziyo ezimhlophe ezingazenzisiyo. Sithi kuni nonke emakhaya inhliziyo zethu zimhlophe zifana nenhliziyo zenu, siyabulela. Inimba has been a level of love by everybody on the stage tonight and everyone at home who has welcomed us from 9 p.m. and has moved with us to 8:30, Monday to Friday in Mzansi Magic every day. Thank you so much. The public, we love you so much. Thank you.
Congratulations to Inimba, guys. Yes, after all they deserve it, guys, all the hard work that they've been putting in, guys, yes, finally has paid off. I don't know what to take on this one or your view or your opinion, guys. You can leave them down in the comment section below. I love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video here on this channel. Once again, thanks for watching, guys.